herself now.
You'll meet a bad end. Mighty Barbarous, my desire this day is not to die, and I grasp it!
Sister, your desire has been rewarded with protection from bloody powers. Deploying specters. Your guards have fallen. If you too must fall, exit a grievous price.
You're not displaying very flexible thinking here, you know. Always it's straight to the violence.
Nobody gets in here without an invite up in Keep your ass behind that sword.
Stand by my sister and shield her from all harm.
You're a loser. You're always a loser.